Okay, I'd like to throw my 2 cents on the Supreme Court's recent decision that corporations are people. First off, I think it's ridiculous because they're contrived entities. They're not actual people. But I'll digress on that point. I'd like to say that I think that it is a major blow to democracy because now any corporation can outspend the person in any race in any state for federal office, and that threatens democracy because now the people have less say in who goes into office than the companies. And that's not how it should be. That's not what the intention of the Founding Fathers was. It's not what the intention for the government was. And for a very long time, that's what the government has actually been fighting to prevent. And also, if you look at the fact that coming before the Supreme Court pretty soon, as they've decided to hear the case, is the case to prevent the release of 138 signatures that were signed for the petition to get Referendum 71 on the ballot in Washington State, which by Washington State law, the signatures are part of the public record and therefore are to be disclosed to the public upon request. Given the court's recent track record in their past 9 cases of being split 5-4, with a conservative majority of 5 being split against the liberal minority of 4, it looks possible that this case could also be another blow to democracy where public disclosure could be the victim. And given that the argument is that the First Amendment right of the petition signers to have their names hidden from public view for fear of harassment and negative side effects from participating in the public realm of a campaign, one has to wonder then why should monetary contributions to campaigns not be affected the same way. So therefore, if corporations are considered people, couldn't the same arguments apply to them, and therefore could corporate contributions then be hidden from public view, making it impossible to figure out who's contributed to which candidates' campaigns, therefore dealing the final blow to open democracy, finally plunging the U.S. into becoming a country of the corporations for the corporations, making the U.S. no longer a true government of the people for the people, finally bringing it to an end.